Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Today, we're going to unbox toys from Mr. DIY. What is this for? For cleaning?
Yes.
Are you going to clean the house?
Yeah. Mama.
You will help Mama? Okay. So, what do you call this? Sanitary Ware.
Yeah.
How much is this? 17 ringgit. Alright, so now let's unbox this. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open it. Open. Open. Open it. Open it. Open. Here. So what we have here is a dustpan. What's that? What's this? The dustpan. Then brush. And then a baby is cleaning. What's this? And then the broom. Is this a broom? Okay, so you're going to connect this. Can you put inside? Go, go, go. Put inside. Put inside. That's the broom. And then this one is for brush. And then this one is for floor mop. And then the dustpan.
Okay.
How do you do that? Can you dust?
Yeah.
Can you dust? Can you clean now?
Yes.
Okay. Right, clean the room. That's not right.
And
What else?
okay.
Mop. Mop it. Mop. And then brush. That's it for today. So this is the sanitary ware from Mr. DIY. The broom can be fixed to the pick handle. Convenient and beautiful. Come to play with us. How many items do you have? 1. Can you count?
1,
Okay.
2,
Then 3,
4,
4. All 4. Oh, there's dirt already. That's it? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Say bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.